Binswanger has been selected as exclusive agent by Corvo for the marketing of this 283,495 square foot, four-building industrial complex on 16 acres located at 4350 Innovation Drive in Farmers Branch, Texas. The facility was previously used to manufacture 6 and 8-inch wafers, including wafers with geometries down to 0.18 micron and below. Building A is approximately 162,529 square feet and a fully functional fab capable of 8-inch and 12-inch semiconductor wafer production. It features 67,325 square feet of wafer fabrication, lab and manufacturing space, including approximately 48,000 square feet of cleanroom space across 4 different rooms and up to Class 10, including ballroom and bay and chase-style clean rooms. The ceiling heights in each room are between 9 and 10 feet under plenum and 15+ feet to the deck. The building also features facilities to handle deionized water, bulk gas, and other chemical systems. Building B features 48,850 square feet of office and flex space, whereas Building D contains 36,290 square feet of warehouse. Building G features 35,826 square feet of space and serves 3 separate functions for the campus. A central plant area provides chilled water for the 4 buildings. The data center houses servers for IT requirements, and the office area is used for site security. Overall, the facility features ample power with 2 4,000-amp, 277 480-volt, 3-phase redundant electrical services, providing from 2 2,500 kVA transformers and terminate in a 4,000-amp static transfer switch, extending to a main switchboard for distribution throughout the area. Multiple diesel generators support Building A, 200 kilowatt, 500 kilowatt, and a 750 kilowatt diesel generator provide backup power throughout Building A. Additionally, there are 2 new 1 megawatt UPS units installed in Building A. A 400 kilowatt diesel generator supports miscellaneous loads in Building G, while a 1.75 megawatt diesel generator supports the data center in Building G. A 750 kilowatt UPS is installed in the main electrical room to support power to miscellaneous equipment in Building G. While AT&T is the primary fiber provider to the site and facility, there are 6 other providers as well: Spectrum, CenturyLink, MCI, Sale Group, Logix Communications, and Unite Private Networks. The entire complex is fully air-conditioned and heated. Located in the central plant are 2 Trane Centrivac water chillers rated at 1,250 tons each, and 2 McQuay water chillers rated at 980 tons each. There are 11 dock-high doors and additional high dock loading throughout the facility. There is also a paved parking lot that fits up to 700 employees. The Corvo complex is minutes from the Dallas North Tollway, I-635 and I-35E, I-45, I-30, George Bush Turnpike, and Sam Rayburn Tollway. Addison Airport is just a mile and a half away, while the Dallas-Fort Worth International and Dallas Love Field airports are about a 20-minute drive. There are also several major colleges and universities within 40 miles of the Corvo complex, including the University of Texas at Dallas, the University of North Texas, Southern Methodist University, and Texas Christian University. Farmers Branch is a dynamic powerhouse business center in North Dallas, centrally located in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. The service provided by the Dallas Area Rapid Transit's Light Rail Green Line further enhances the city's reputation as a premier transportation hub for North Texas. With a small-town feel and big city convenience, Farmers Branch is a picture-perfect place to live, work, and play. The city prides itself on providing a high-quality life for residents with safe neighborhoods, 28 beautiful parks, state-of-the-art recreational facilities, and world-class businesses. In fact, it's home to more than 4,000 companies and over 250 corporate headquarters, including BSN Sports, Scout and Cellar, and Brinks Home Security. And the city is making it easier than ever for businesses to relocate there with sales tax exemptions, property tax rebates, and other types of incentives. Meanwhile, The Dallas-Fort Worth metro area has developed as a strong industrial and financial center and a major inland port. It is home to over 24 Fortune 500 companies, the second most in the state, and the fourth most in the entire U.S. This includes household names like PepsiCo, Samsung, GE, and Nike. For more information about this exciting real estate opportunity, please contact Holmes Davis, Senior Vice President, at 214-763-3700 or email Holmes at hdavis@binswanger.com.